Hi everyone, I am all set to receive my vaccine today. And as you know, in India, there are two vaccines. One is the Covishield, which is made by Oxford University, AstraZeneca, and the Serum Institute of India. And the other one is Covaxin, made by Bharat Biotech. And I am to receive Covishield today. So let me give you a bit about the technology. Covishield basically uses a vector. It's a vector vaccine. It uses, a very inactivated form or very mild form of a virus called adenovirus, which causes common cold in chimpanzees. So they take the adenovirus and they genetically program it so that when it is injected in our body, it enters, the cells and programs the DNA to produce spike proteins. Just the spike proteins. It doesn't produce the virus. It just produces the spike protein so that our immune system recognizes that spike protein and creates antibodies against it, because that's the same spike protein that will be there on the surface of coronavirus, so that when it enters, our antibodies and our army is already ready. Whereas Covaxin by Bharat Biotech uses its age-old, tried and tested technology of attenuated virus, which is they take the actual coronavirus, but they kill it using heat and chemical processing, and they give you the dead virus so that you develop, an immune response to it. But Covaxin is in its phase 3 clinical trials. It's only available in some centers. We do not have a choice on what vaccine we can and we cannot receive. My hospital is providing me with Covishield, so I am going there to get my first dose of vaccine. Right, so finally it is the day. I'm getting vaccinated with Covishield. I'm just going to walk you through the entire experience.
So we have to follow these green arrows. We meet at the verification room and then we are asked to go to the COVID-19 vaccine waiting area. So we've been asked to fill out this vaccine checklist card, which asks some basic questions of whether we've had prior COVID-19 or any allergic reactions, and with some basic information for the first dose and the second dose.
The other important thing to remember is कि हर किसी को ये vaccine applicable नहीं है. It's not for everyone. If anybody who has had any allergic reaction, anaphylactic reaction in their past, जिसमें कुछ खाने के बाद मुंह सूज जाता है, लिप सूज जाते हैं, सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो जाती है, you have all that edema, then please inform your healthcare professional. If you're allergic to any of the ingredients in the vaccine, which you can find online, it is something like L-histidine, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, EDTA, sucrose, ethanol, all of these things. अगर कभी आपने कुछ ऐसी दवाई ली है जिसमें ये components हैं और आपको allergy हुआ है, then please do not take this vaccine or inform your healthcare professional. During pregnancy and lactation, avoid the vaccine or tell your healthcare professional about it so that they can take a scientific and clinical decision on it. And especially if you're on any blood thinners or on steroid medications, any relevant clinical history, please आप बताइए, or keep them informed, and take the vaccine only when they give you a green signal to do it.
That we walk into the vaccine. Observation is there?
Yes.
It's always advised to take the vaccine in a non-dominant arm because sometimes.
Sometimes it will be painful, you cannot lift out.
Asya? Is there? Yes. Names?
Jagmeet Chaturvedi.
Oh, yeah, but now I'm remembering you. You're probably remembering this one. Originally you have done.
Correct.
Say deep breath, sir. Loosen your muscles. Then left hand. Okay, open your eyes.
Left.
Take off in my nose. Where I go?
Done?
Keep the cotton there, okay? You take the release water.
No rubbing.
No.
No rubbing.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have to go out into the vaccine room, the observation room. Just here.
Also, some expected side effects of the vaccine are very actually similar to flu-like symptoms. You can feel weakness, tiredness, pain in the injection site हो सकता है, थोड़ी सूजन हो सकती है. Some people can have itching, rashes over the skin, low blood pressure, and some people can have fever, chills, and those things would usually subside in a matter of a few hours or a couple of days. First 30 minutes is very important for observation to look for any immediate reaction. I think most of the things that what we are reading, people are improving after that.
So they're checking my pulse, my saturation, 98. 99. More than the marks I've got, huh?
Saturation is 99, heart rate is 80.
Heart rate is 85.
85.
It's mandatory to do a 30-minute observation and then check for pulse rate, oxygen saturation, and also blood pressure. 100 by 60, just like my marks.
This is the card which has all the information that is put in, and I will get this card after the second dose.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sister Ji.
Thank you, sir.
You follow the red arrows to go out.
But nonetheless, this Covishield vaccine only gives somewhere around 62 to 70% of efficacy. तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप मास्क ना पहने, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ना फॉलो करें. Please keep doing that, even if you get both the doses, and that is what is important. And even if you do develop, a coronavirus infection, despite the vaccine, it is expected to be of a much lesser intensity. So stay safe and let's make our country safe. And please be aware, keep all your precautions, and get vaccinated, and still wear your mask and maintain social distancing. Take care, guys. And it's been a couple of hours since I've got the vaccine. I'm feeling completely fine. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा सा I had हल्का सा dizziness and felt a bit tired for a few minutes. My blood pressure was 100 by 60. I have no pain in the site of the injection, and I feel completely all right now. But I'll keep observing for the next couple of days. And you take care when you get your vaccine as well.